can see right here, there was a hurricane last night. Do you see that? Do you want to tell a comment? Come look. You can see right here, there's a hurricane. You can see there was a hurricane that do. The faithful was right. You can see. I'm gonna get closer now. You can see right here, there's a tree. We're gonna donate it. Right? You can see this one. Yep, I see it. Look at this. You can see right here. Let me get a better angle for this. I got it. I think I gotta be careful. You can see the branches are closer. Alright. You can see right here. Make if the if the podcast says there's a hurricane, thunder, lightning, and heavy rain, stay inside your house or vehicle. Aim for yourself. Find a shelter with his vehicle, or find a shelter with his vehicle, like car, SUV, truck, semi, bike, bicycle, scooter, roller skates, motorcycle, bicycle, bike, and aim for a shelter like a house or building, shed, and everywhere, even a bridge as well. Find a near shelter. This. Oh my dude.
Did you record it?
Yeah. I'm gonna end this video now.